friends. I have a few Elephant and Piggie books today because who doesn't need some Elephant and Piggie? I am invited to a party by Mo Willems. Gerald! Look, I am invited to a party! Cool. It is cool. Will you go with me? I have never been to a party. I will go with you. I know parties. Party, 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 party. Wait! What if it is a fancy party? We must be ready. Really? I know parties. He knows parties. Zip, zip. Is this fancy? Very fancy. Party, 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 party. Wait! What if it is a pool party? A fancy pool party? We must be ready! I know parties. He knows parties. Zip, zap. How is this? We will make a splash. Party, 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 party. Wait! What if it is a costume party? A fancy pool costume party? We must be ready! He had better know parties. Zip, zap. Now can we go to the party? Yes, now we are ready. Well, that is a surprise. You do know parties! Party, party, party! There is a bird on your head by Mo Willems. Piggie! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The two birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggie. Thank you very much. You are welcome. My Friend is Sad by Mo Willems. Oh, my friend is sad. I will make him happy. Yeehaw! cowboy. Oh, Gerald loves cowboys, but he is still sad. Hmm? A clown. Oh, clowns are funny, but he is still sad. Hmm? A robot. How could anyone be sad around a robot? Oh. Gerald. Piggie! I am sorry. I wanted to make you happy, but you are still sad. I am not sad now. I am happy. You are happy? I am happy because you are here. But I was so sad, Piggie. So very sad. I saw a cowboy. But you love cowboys. I do. I love cowboys. But you were not there to see him. Well, in fact, there was more. Then I saw a clown, a funny clown. But you were not there to see him. But there was more. I saw a robot, a cool robot. And my best friend was not there to see it with me. But, you see, I am here now. You are here now. My friend is here now. I need my friends. You need new glasses.